Welcome to another exciting episode of Man vs. Tool. Today we're testing the Crescent Lufkin SHOCKFORCE tape measure. They claim this is the toughest tape on the market. Let's see how it stacks up. First up, the drop test. Now, the rock drop. Nothing detrimental yet. Moving on to the home run test. Oh, he whiffed it. There's a hit. Oh man! He knocked off the hook tab and the tape is now stuck in there. I wonder what happens if we run it over. Wow, they weren't kidding. This tape is certified tough. Check out the new SHOCKFORCE at Toolbarn.com.